Hydraulic press. Hydraulic press. Hydraulic press uses small hydraulic piston to press liquid and transfer the compressive force to another piston, that generating larger mechanical force. The hydraulic press have three parts: main piston, power system, hydraulic control system. Function of the hydraulic press. Hydraulic presses are suitable for bending, forming, flanging, and other pressing processes. They can also be used for punching and blanking processes. Working principle of hydraulic press. The basic principle is to transmit a force from one point to another through an incompressible liquid. Usually, oil is used as a liquid medium. Types of hydraulic presses. Hydraulic press, mechanical press, pneumatic press. Forging press, punching machine, pressure bending machine. Knuckle joint press, screw press. Traditional presses and servo presses. Structure of hydraulic press. The two types of drive systems. Pump direct drive, pump accumulator drive. Hydraulic press is divided into four-column type, single column type, horizontal type, vertical frame, and universal hydraulic presses. Hydraulic press working. Small rams are used. The number of rams depends upon the working load. The hydraulic pressure of fluid drives the ram. Hydraulic press advantages. Weight reduction and material conservation reduce the number of parts at a lower cost of molds, low initial and production cost, capacity for high tonnage. It is safe compared to mechanical press, built-in overload protection, less noise, generates immense amount of pressure, less floor space required for this machine. A machine having simple design, greater adaptability. The tools used in this machine have a longer lifespan. Increase the strength and rigidity. Hydraulic press applications. Aerospace industry, metal forming operations and punching, thermoplastic industries, automotive parts, molding, sheet molded composites, carbon fiber molding, sheet molded composites, glass mat transfer, deep drawing operations, blanking operations, molding operations, forging operations, clinching operations. Hydraulic press specification. Vertical or downstroking. Frame they carry. Maximum load of pressing. The return capacity of the machine. Number of cylinder inside the machine. Stroke of the ram. Cylinder types either single or double acting. Speed of the ram in per second. Electrical power consumed by the machine in kW. Operating method, automatic or semi-automatic. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.